Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza. Welcome back to Coder Journey. I hope you're doing well and you're ready to learn another useful trick when you are working in Visual Studio. Now, in this video, I'm gonna go through something that I use, from time to time, and it is about redefining or changing the shortcut keys that are assigned to different, operations, if you will, in Visual Studio. Now, basically, when you go to, for example, different menus in Visual Studio, you've got some, for example, different, shortcut keys. For example, to save all of the files of your project, you can press Ctrl-Shift-S, right? To print this current, code file, you press Ctrl-P. Now, not only can you change these different shortcut keys to your liking, you can also assign, different shortcut keys for different operations which are lacking, specific shortcut key. Now, in order to do that, what you can do is that you can basically go to Tools, Options, and here you can search for shortcut key which will direct you to this part, Environment Keyboard. And here you can, for example, start typing a command. For example, print. Now, file print, as you can see, Control P is the shortcut key. Now, if I come here, I can see, Control P here, right? So if I press Control P, I will be able to print this file. Now, let me go to this part one more time. And here I'm going to say print. And again, as you can see, file print is, Control P. What about assigning, what about changing this, for example, shortcut key? So suppose for this, I want to change this to Control B, for example. First off, it says that Control B, which you pressed, is assigned to build selection. So I don't want that. I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to say, what about Control L? Now it says Control L is, edit line cut. Now what you can do is that you can also press code combinations, keyboard combinations. For example, you can say Control W, Control Q, Control W. Now, as you can see, this one is not assigned to anything. So I can simply say, assign this to Control P, right? So Control P or print is now Control Q, Control W. If I press OK, I go to File, it says Control Q, Control W is for print. Now, of course, I don't like that. I'm going to change this to print, right? I'm going to press Control P, file print. I'm going to say Control P, right? Assign. I'm going to OK. I'm going to come here and I can see, let me see. I probably need to restart Visual Studio, probably file print, Control P, right? But it doesn't show up here. As I said, I will probably need to, restart Visual Studio. Now, for page setup, let's see if we can assign a specific shortcut key to this command. So again, I can come here and I can search for page setup, right? Here. So file page setup doesn't have any shortcut keys. So let's say Control Q, Control W. So it is assigned to Control P or print, which I changed. I'm going to say Control Q, Control E, right? So for page setup, I'm going to say Control Q, Control E, and then I'm going to press OK here. I'm going to come here and let me stop the video and let me restart Visual Studio. So guys, as I told you, I stopped the video and I restarted Visual Studio. Here, as you can see, the print command is still probably, this is a bug with Visual Studio. It is showing that Control K, Control W, but whenever I press Control P, the print, dialog appears. Now for the other thing, I restarted Visual Studio, Control Q and Control E is here, right? So if I press, I get the page setup. But please do not forget, whenever you, select a shortcut key, you need to press assign here, right? So file page setup, it is Control Q, Control E. I can say Control Q, Control W, or I can change this to Control Q, Control R, and then I need to assign. You need to click this, right, to assign this shortcut key to this page setup. And if you want to delete a specific shortcut key, you can remove. Now let me assign this and then come here, and as you can see, again, this is showing the previous value, Control Q, Control E. I will probably need to, restart Visual Studio as well. But here I'm gonna get rid of this page setup shortcut key, right? I don't want it. I'm gonna remove this, right? And then I'm gonna OK. And as you can see, this is again showing. So this is probably, minor bug with Visual Studio. You need to restart the Visual Studio to get this, going. Now, basically, what we talked about in this video is that we can go to Tools Options, right? We can go to Keyboard. Not only we can see the different shortcut keys for different commands, right? For example, F6 for build solution. You can also assign a specific shortcut key to the commands which do not have a shortcut key at the moment, or you can change them, or you can remove, a predefined shortcut key. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If that's the case, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, A Coder's Journey. That will help me, make more videos for you guys. Also, share this video with a friend who is learning how to use Visual Studio, and also give this video a like. Thank you so much. Till later. Bye-bye.